It's a video of my Swiss Army knife collection. It got started by this the Swiss Champ, which is the biggest, I think the biggest Swiss Army knife multi-tool. It has basically everything and a must-have. Then I went and bought the rest of these. I basically got hooked to them. This is, I don't know what's, yes, it's the Deluxe Tinker, and the rest are, I don't even know the names, the Sportsman or the Woodsman or whatever. But they've got some tools from the big Champ. So if you have the big Champ, Swiss Champ, you've got everything that's in all of these. So these are just a subset of this guy, and these are all the little ones that I carry, different colors. And now this one is a 2-layer one. It's the same size as these little ones, but it's 2 layers. It's got the knife and the nail file and the scissors, and it's got this multi-tool thing, which I really like. Let me open it. It's a really good looking blade. So it's a Phillips screwdriver tip, a bottle opener, and wire stripper, and I think that's it. But it's a really good shaped one. It's almost like a sports car look to it. I use this a lot, honestly. I have it in my pocket all the time. But as you can see, once you start with these, you may get hooked. They're really high quality and a must have.